Hi, this is Mark at Cannon Trading Company Incorporated. What I'm going to show you today in this video is how to place a simple bracket order using the Shogun trading platform. This video is for educational purposes only, so there isn't a live account trading the markets. Matter of fact, what I'm going to do right now is log into the platform in demo mode, and then we'll get the instructional started here. So I'm going to be accessing a demo account. First window that pops up is what we call the scoreboard. I've already pre-listed a number of the available markets to trade in this Shogun platform. The top market is the mini S&P. I think that's the one we'll look at to place our bracket order. So we'll go over to the column labeled the letter D, and in the downward pointing arrow I'll click with a left mouse click, and that'll open up our depth of market display. And then we're also just going to open another window which we're going to show our open working orders. Those will be our bracket orders once we place them. And then I'll also show you the window that will illustrate our closed orders. I've placed a couple beforehand to kind of test things out, so we'll keep this one open as well, and off to the races we'll go. One main point to make here with this platform: placing a bracket order can be done either at the same time you enter the market or after you enter the market. It depends on your preference and how you set up the trade. What we'll show you first is how to place the bracket order after you've entered the market, and then we'll show it to you as an automatic placement when we enter the market. So the first thing that we're going to do is go up here and select a quantity. I'll select simply a one lot. And remember, we're in the December E-mini S&P. And then I've already set my bracket order parameters, which are in this box. My profit target is 12 ticks, or 3 full S&P points, or $150. And then our stop loss is down here 8 ticks below, or $100 for the mini S&P. So the first thing I'm going to do is enter the market. I'm going to just go long here, which means I'm just going to go in and simply buy at the market here, and that'll get me executed. The double asterisks on the depth of market at 1953 show where I entered. It's also at the top of my completed trades at 1953 over here on the lower left. So now, again, I've set my parameters for the bracket order at 12 ticks above my entry point for the target and 8 ticks below my entry point for the stop loss. And you can see we've already dropped a few ticks here down to about 1252 range. But I'm going to go ahead and send this bracket order simply by clicking on the Send Bracket Order button. And once I do that, there they are ready to go. From 1253, I would be up at 1256 even for my target. That's where we are right there. And we're down here at 1251 even for the stop. So now we've got our bracket order in place. We're still in the market. Here on the left in our open orders box are both the 1256 limit and the 1251 stop. And we are effectively in the market with either a stop loss or a target to exit us. Now, I can change these once they're placed in any way that I want by simply using my mouse. Notice how when I'm into the limit or stop columns, the mouse turns into a hand. And what I can do there, for example, is if I want to take this stop and move it, I can left mouse click and hold, bring it down, say, to more points to the 1950 mark and let go of it, and I'm done. Now I've moved my stop loss down. I can also do the same, obviously, with a limit order. Maybe I'm a little optimistic. I'll left mouse click and hold, bring it up to 1258, and I can let go of it. Now I've changed that. They'll display themselves as changed over here. And again, I can do this anytime I want and move my bracket and my stop anyway. They're still considered bracket orders. If one gets filled, the other one will automatically cancel itself out. for now, what we'll do is I'm going to cancel this trade out. Looks like we came down a little bit, but that's okay. I'm going to go sell it at the market, and I can get out of the market. I could also have hit the flatten button. That would have gotten me out of the market and cancel my orders as well. But as you can see, the same thing happened here. I'm officially out of my bracket orders as well, because as soon as I took off my trade, my orders were canceled as well. To enter a bracket order at the same time you enter the market, all I need to do is click on this box here that designates my bracket order as an automatically placed order. Now, if I go up and buy at the market, my limit order and stop order will be in automatically. Again, 3 points away from the entry for my target, 2 points away from the entry for my stop. And here we go. We'll just buy that at the market. I got filled at 52 even, and there's my stop at 50 even, and my limit at 55 even. So we've got 3 points away for the target, 2 points away for the stop. Simple as that. Just as an example of how the flatten button works, if I go in not thinking whether I'm long or short or where my orders are, if I just click on flatten, takes me out of the market at the market, cancels my orders, and I'm finished trading. So that's it in a nutshell. Simply set your bracket order parameters in these two boxes. Designate whether you want the trades to go in automatically or whether you'd like to place them later. And you're on your way to placing a simple bracket order with the Shogun trading platform. So thank you for your time. You have a good afternoon.